So today we're tuning in to do my mascara. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my mascara, my lashes, how I make them so long, so much volume, so very cute. So far, for the first thing, I use my crimper. I always use my crimper, just because it gives me a little bit more volume whenever I'm doing it. So we're gonna start. What I do is I put my lashes in there and then I squeeze a few times just to make sure that they are getting crimped. You see how they are up a little bit more, a little curled, a little cute. And I'm gonna do my other eye as well. You gotta be careful with these not to pinch your eyelid or your skin because it hurts. And I don't ever use a specific mascara. I kind of just use whatever I can find. Anything that says volume and definition, I definitely like it. This one is Revlon. I started opening it so you can see what the product looks like. This is one. And I just start with this one because I like the way the brush looks. It spaces my lashes out a little bit so they're not all clumped together. And then whenever I do it, I kind of swivel from left to right to spread them out, but also give them thickness at the bottom. My hair is getting in the way. So, and I also, after I apply this, I let them dry just a little bit. And then I'll crimp it again. You see how it looks different already? This eye from that eye. I did have makeup on earlier. I took it off that way I could show you exactly how I do this process so y'all can know. So you just get in there. Let me show you a little closer. How's y'all's day been going? I barely got off work and I tuned in with y'all because I love y'all and I have fun doing this. So I hope y'all enjoy watching me. And as I go along, I promise you I will get better at everything that I'm doing. So you can tell that they already look different. They already look like they have a little bit more volume. They're already darker around my eyes. And I start with the top ones first. I don't go to the bottom until I'm done with the top, because if I mess up, then I can easily clean the bottom part off, or else I'll just have a big mess everywhere. Okay, so the second one is Butter, and it's by London. Power Up Mascara. Super cute. Super new. I just got this one. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit of a thicker brush. And it gives you a lot more volume. But I'm not going to put this one on just yet. I'm going to do the crimp first. And then I'll put this on. So I always try to start applying and then I'm like, oh, I got to do the crimper. So don't forget to crimp because it's important. Important. Curl those lashes, honey. So you see them, they're all in there getting curled up, looking very fancy. And you just keep on crimping. Give it a good little squeeze and a hold and push. And easily pull off. And how I pull off is I let go and I pull up. That way when you pull out, it'll pull your lashes down. So you want to pull off and up, not straight out, or else you messed up the curl. So you get them in there. I don't know if you can see them. And let me tell you, without mascara, my lashes don't look long at all. With mascara, they look fabulous. Okay. So you see how they look? And I always wipe it off because if you look on there, I always get excess on there and it drives me insane. I cannot stand it, so I just have a little wipe rag to wipe them off. Okay, so next is London. And you're just gonna swivel this on, give it more volume. I use different mascaras because I feel like it's different product and it gives it different looks. So when I layer it with the same mascara, I feel like it doesn't look as dark or as much volume as it does when I use 3 different products. You see how that's looking? Super duper cute. Hold on. I dropped this one. Okay. Let's do the other eye. So whenever you put on mascara, if you just go straight up, it works, but I don't feel like it's as effective as if whenever you swivel, because you get thickness at the bottom versus when you just go straight up, it doesn't give you as much thickness. It just looks kind of long, but when you swivel, it's thick and long. You see how it's looking? So it's looking very, very good, very cute. And now you gotta let this dry. So you wanna kind of just blow it with your hands. La-da-da-da-da. And then the last but not least, I use, it's waterproof. So I use a waterproof, it's by Maybelline. The reason why I use waterproof is because my eyes water a lot. So with the mascara, they'll start to run really easy. Why they water so much, I have no idea. But if your eyes are like mine and they water quite a bit, I would suggest using waterproof. But waterproof is harder to take off. So if you don't know how to take it off, I wouldn't suggest you scrubbing it in the shower because you can pull some lashes off. And that, honey, is not what you want. You don't want to be missing eyelashes. That would be a disaster. And I don't ever wear fake eyelashes. Just because I feel like with the mascara, it gives me the zam and the boom that I want. So yeah, I just went over it again with this before I do the liquid one because I need the extraness on my eyeballs. I hope y'all enjoyed my other videos that I did. I'm enjoying posting them. So I hope you enjoy watching them. And I hope it's helping somebody out there. Doesn't matter how old you are, who you are, as long as I'm able to help somebody, that makes me happy. Okay, so now you want to crimp again. Crimpy, crimpy, crimp. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hold. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Let go and lift up. Boo yas. Look at that. Okay. And I do kind of have a runny nose because it was super cold in my house last night. I think I got a little bit sick. So I'm going to do this eye right here. So if you hear me sniffle, don't mind that. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeeze and hold. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then let go and lift up. Looking very cute. Very, very cute. So you see them looking better and better already. Okay, last but not least, Maybelline. So Maybelline's brush is a little bit thicker, but the little brush on there will swivel everything out that I need. And it just kind of brings the ones that were looking all crazy after the crimp, it brings them back up, standing beautiful and straight again. And you always want to keep your eyes open as natural as can be, because it takes the shape of your actual eye. You see how that looks different now that I put the third one on there? It's looking real good. And you will have mistakes and you'll have to clean it up some, and the crimper will leave you access on your eyelids, so you will need to clean it off, because I have some up there that I see. And I just use a Q-tip and just wipe it off. That one's driving me insane. It doesn't want to come off. There. So you see how different it looks now? And it's pretty much the same thing with the bottom, except for you don't crimp it. You just cover them with the 3 different products just to make them look longer and cute. I hope y'all are enjoying the music in the background. I don't like it when it's real quiet, so I have to have music. Make sure you get the corners too, because you don't want to leave those out. Okay. And there's that. Now you have to get some Q-tips and wait. You have to wait for it to dry before you start cleaning, because if you start cleaning while it's wet, you have the chance of messing up your lashes, and it is the worst. Then you'll have to start all over again. So you just want to wait for it to dry before you start messing with the top. And then you get your lashes on the bottom and just fill them in with your mascara. And this one you don't have to go over as many times, just because it's on the bottom. They'll get volume on their own and lift off your skin if they're kind of laid down with the makeup being on there. You just want to be careful not to make too much of a mess. Looking cute, looking cute. And then once it dries, I'll re-crimp them again, just to give them that extra. And with the bottom lashes, I don't really wait for them to dry. I just kind of layer over them quick, fast, and in a hurry. Let me move a little bit closer. It's funny when you watch people put makeup on because they make the silliest faces ever. But it's concentration, honey. Concentration. So that's pretty much it. That's all I do, my daily routine. You can see my lashes. They look long with volume. Super cute. I'm going to re-crimp one more time before I let this video go. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, follow, give me tips, leave me comments, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I appreciate it all. All criticism is welcomed. That's how you live and you learn. So help me live and learn, guys. You see the difference right there after I crimped it? Looks so much better. And once they dry, they are amazing. And then you just put your eyeliner on however you prefer it. I will do another video on how I do my eyeliner with my mascara. Go watch my other videos. Don't forget, I did one on eyebrows, putting them on, taking them off. I did an unboxing for Ipsy. So make sure y'all go watch. Show love, please, and thank you. I enjoy doing this every day. I will be back with another video. I promise. Let me know what you think. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day.